Good morning, guys. How are you today? Again, welcome to the English class for 10th grade BTP, Computing and Finances. Please remember to wear a mask and wash your hands. It is very important. Pay attention to that, please. So today we're going to study actions in the future, and the objective of the class is to talk about actions taking place in the future. Let's remember the verb to be. Remember the verb to be? Okay, so we're going to review that today. I am. ¿Se acuerdan del verbo to be? El verbo ser o estar? So we're going to review that today. So I am very optimistic. Next. You are very friendly. Tú eres muy amigable. He is from Venezuela. Él es de Venezuela. She is surprised. Ella está sorprendida. It is a new laptop. Es una nueva laptop. We are in the house. Nosotros estamos en la casa. You are very smart students. Ustedes son estudiantes muy listos, muy inteligentes. They are good people. Ellos son buena gente. Okay, so now we're going to study the future to be going to. Eso es lo que vamos a ver, el futuro, y vamos a usar la partícula to be going to. First of all, we're going to use the verb to be. Remember, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. And then going to, and then a verb. In this case, we're going to use call, that in Spanish is como llamar, and the complement. So, for example, we say, I am going to call my friend tomorrow. I am going to call my friend tomorrow. Yo voy a llamar a mi amigo mañana. Miren, esa es la manera como vamos a usar the future to be going to. You are going to call my friend tomorrow. He is going to, she is going to, it is going to, we are going to, you are going to, and they are going to. Siempre vamos a usar going to porque es lo que nos define que estamos hablando del futuro, ¿ok? Y el verbo going to call, going to dance, going to swim, going to walk, going to watch, ¿ok? Again, the future be going to. Ahora aquí necesito que ustedes me ayuden. I need you to help me to complete the sentences. I need you to tell me the verb to be in this case. So I am going to watch TV tonight. Good. I'm going to watch TV tonight. Next. She is going to dance tonight. Very good. She is going to dance tonight. Next. Tony is going to play soccer tomorrow. Okay, next. We are going to go swimming. Next. Emma is going to drink coffee later. Next. The girls are going to visit the museum. As you can see, you can find the sentences in English and then in Spanish in case that you are a little confused. You can see the translator from English to Spanish. Next. Here we're going to practice again the sentences, the affirmative sentences, and we need the verb here. So, what is the correct verb that goes here? My brother is going to eat pizza. Very good. Okay, Alma is going to paint the room in blue. Next. I am going to go to the city tomorrow. Next, they are going to wash the uniforms. They are going to wash the uniforms. Johnny is going to call the police. Okay, very good. So this is the future to be going to. Next. Here we're going to work with negative sentences. So we're going to use the negative form of to be. I'm not. Okay, I'm not. Yo no soy o yo no estoy. ¿Se acuerdan? You aren't. Tú no eres o tú no estás. He isn't. Él no es o él no está. She isn't. Ella no es o no está. It isn't. Siempre que usamos it es para referirnos a cosa o animal. It isn't. We aren't. You aren't. They aren't. And again, we use going to's. Eso nunca va a faltar. Going to and the verb. ¿Ok? Entonces lo que cambia para las oraciones negativas solo es to be, que va en forma negativa. ¿Ok? For example, I'm not going to read the newspaper. Yo no voy a leer el periódico. You aren't going to read the newspaper. Tú no vas a leer el periódico. He isn't going to read the newspaper. Él no va a leer el periódico. She isn't going to read. It isn't going to read. We aren't going to read. You aren't going to read. They aren't going to read. Again, we're going to practice here. So, Betty isn't going to drink whiskey. Remember that these are negative sentences, okay? So we're going to complete it with negative sentences. Okay, next. I'm not going to watch a horror movie. Next. We aren't going to use the computers. Next. David isn't. David isn't going to work tomorrow. Okay, the last one, Brenda isn't. Brenda isn't going to wear the black dress. Brenda no va a usar el vestido negro. Okay, that's it for today. I'm going to send you the homework later, so please send me the homework as soon as possible. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.